Let's open more of these Poppet Pet Petites. I'm down to like a small bit of them that I need for my collection before I need to buy the Mega Mystery Pack, which I feel like is in the $50 range. So who knows? Maybe I'll order it. I don't know. Kind of pricey though for some fidgets. What do you guys think? Should I get it? Should I not get it? Okay, Fudge and Saucy I already have, but I will show you guys anyway. Fudge and Saucy, so cute. I love how little these are, in case you guys didn't know that. I'm gonna put that ring away. My dog is playing with his TikTok shop sample right now. Yeah, he ordered a toy from the TikTok shop, believe it or not. Okay, we got a duplicate of this. Axel. I love Axel. Axel. I love Axel Autos right now. Plus, I think they're really popular. Okay, we got Terra, the world. Terra, the globe. She a globe trotter. Okay. Pretty sure I have all of these so far. This one is Fresca, which I don't understand what it is exactly, but you know, whatever. One last one. Let's see. Will you be the missing link? Weevil. I was right when I said they're all duplicates. Okay. I will take pictures of them and then we will get them home. So